It's about serving customers around the globe in many different places, and it's about serving them with this new technology that's called cloud. That's the reason we went through this journey together to build the marketplace and put it around the globe. We are moving into a service economy. This is a very, very clear thing. We all know this. This is everything as a service, but we do more with more. More partners, more customers, more technology, and more investment. And we will continue to help you do more with more, to solve a very complex problem. Cloud will create infinite possibilities. It will solve things that we have never been able to solve before, and it will solve them at a pace which is unprecedented. We built an organization of engineers that are around the globe to help our partners. We add new services every single day to all of our platforms around the globe. We start evolving into infrastructure as a service. We start evolving into cybersecurity. We start evolving into IoT. All these new adjacencies, which are powered by a single customer experience. So Ingram will help you and continue to help you select the right business models, build the right business models, look at things multidimensionally. You got to create a mesh, what we call the integrated cloud fabric. The ability for anybody to create IP or board IP into any of Ingram Micro's marketplaces or any of our partners, anybody to be a publisher, anybody to be an author, and everybody the opportunity to be successful.
Wow, wasn't that great? I can't believe it's been 5 years since the first video. If there's one thing you can take away from that now is that there's a lot less of me and there's more for you, as in more as a service. Hello everyone, and welcome to our first Digital Cloud Summit. First, I hope that you're all keeping safe and of course sane during these times. I also want to thank you for being here. Thank you for your continued support and your continued partnership. The mere feat of being here today, getting here, showing up daily, hasn't been all that easy over the last few months. Just another day at the office hasn't been just another day at the office. But with each new day and new week, our organizations are blazing new trails and navigating a whole new business landscape. Fortunately, navigating the new norm is your forte and ours. Together, we are all pioneers of a new era, and there's no great exaggeration to think that now, in a very big moment for what we do, it matters more than ever. For nearly a decade, we've been ushering you, our reselling partners, and your customers towards a new horizon of cloud computing, assuring you that it was on its way. We provided the foresight, the know-how, and the technology to increase profits and scale businesses at a pace previously unimaginable. Even with everything we do and all we're doing, it's always been about more as a service, about more technology, more capabilities, more investments. And as we look towards the future, I see that together our businesses will prosper and accelerate and grow even faster. Today, we have a number of exciting announcements that testify to this bright future and our commitment to what we call more as a service. All this week, we have a whole lineup of announcements and innovation and information to share with you from industry leaders and innovators. You'll get a great look at how we're readying the world for Cloud 3.0, how we're mapping out new ways to make sure your company's revenues continue to grow and continue to succeed in transformation. Over the years, we've watched the evolution of global industries. We've anticipated the disruptions. We strategically positioned all the necessary pieces. And all of this is helping you to set the new era towards the new ecosystem of cloud. 55,000 partners, managed service providers, resellers from more than 40 countries, over 20 digital marketplaces. And with intent and purpose, Ingram has invested over $500 million to build what we term the new ecosystem, or the infinite ecosystem of cloud. By leveraging our platforms and ecosystem, cloud service providers, telecom companies, resellers, ISVs and MSPs, and enterprises can transform into a new native cloud paradigm. This is all about more as a service, the core of what Ingram does. Everything is under one banner, one purpose, one meaning. More support, more hyperscale, more enablement, more cloud services, and ultimately for our partners, more profit. The ecosystem we've built is for you, to empower you to do more with more, to grow your business, enjoy more profits, not do more with less, compress, but do more and achieve more together. Let's take a closer look at how all these services and how these services come together in a complete ecosystem. Over the last 8 years, as we built out the ecosystem of cloud, we've had a lot of learnings. We learned that you needed to be able to board many SaaS providers, many infrastructure as a service providers, and many PaaS platforms. We also learned in order to get these into the market, you needed services to do the implementations and the migrations. All of this required a great deal of engineering, a great deal of effort to be able to create the right solutions and integrate them. So Ingram introduced CloudBlue Connect, our proprietary IP that allows vendors and suppliers and ISVs to talk to our systems with simplicity and scale. Today, we're able to board any partner into our ecosystem, whether it's a professional services provider, an internet service provider, an infrastructure as a service provider, or a SaaS provider, in a matter of hours. What used to take major engineering efforts can be done with just a simple set of clicks. And why is this important? It's important to provide, through our commerce systems, not only to Ingram, but also all of our other customers around the globe, the ability to sell more, to add adjacent products into their portfolio, to be able to serve different partner groups. We've introduced many different technologies and APIs to create open integration into our technology and platforms. Most importantly, we provided an environment which allows you to grow without investment. We've introduced the go-to-market hub, the ability for you to use the digital assets of Ingram Micro that are created in our centers as your own, to simplify your coding process, to simplify your management process. And most recently, we introduced the ability to integrate into many different PSA systems. We believe this is a pivotal part of the evolution of the ecosystem to allow you to manage the assets of your customers. Whether they're a small business, a medium business, an enterprise, or an industry, we believe the management of the last mile is the most important part of the ecosystem that only you, our partners, are capable of doing. So these new tool sets and these new capabilities will allow you to make sure that you monetize every step of the process, allow you to scale even faster. But as we were evolving, there's a lot of different technologies and products that we didn't see. And Ingram invested in a program called Comet. At first, Comet 1.0 was a little bit of an experiment. It was something that a group of people thought about in a room, about what's in a Comet. Well, the Comet has a very hard front end, but it has a lot of the gems and all the precious stones in the tail. And we wanted to bring all these precious stones to the market. So as we started with Comet 1.0, we sourced well over 300 ISVs, but only in 3 locations. I remember going to Austin, I remember going to Tel Aviv, and I remember going to Boston and discovering these great new entrepreneurs, great new technology that we started to bring to market. But that was a discovery. We had to bring it to scale. And we grew Comet around the globe. This year, we sourced well over 4,400 ISVs, and we'd hoped to bring them, many of them, to the finals at this Cloud Summit. But of course, we had to do a little bit of deferral, and we're looking forward to introducing them and inviting them in the future, but helping them to grow their business in between. With over 4,400 new discoveries, we bring more and more products to the market at digital scale, allowing you the ability to create more solutions for your customers, for you to expand your seats and conquer the data centers with the right technologies. Today, I'm also happy to show you more about CloudBlue Connect, to show you how it really operates, to bring those mysteries into something that's tangible, that you can see the future together with us.
CloudBlue Connect is a cloud service that has two portals: the vendor portal, which is used by anyone selling their own products, and the provider portal, which is used by partners selling to a reseller or an end customer. They use Connect to automate the following steps of their business processes and relationships. First is the contract flow. Providers invite vendors into the system, and vendors provide terms and enroll into distribution agreements. Next is product flow. Vendors can onboard, define, and manage different products and list those products to providers' marketplaces. Providers are able to review and accept new or updated listings and publish those offerings, making them available to their customers to order. Once orders are placed through CloudBlue Commerce, which powers the Ingram Micro Cloud marketplace, or the provider's commerce platform of choice, Connect communicates those orders to vendors and allows vendors to automate fulfillment. And last but not least, Connect helps vendors to automate consumption and usage flow for any type of product that requires post-order information flow. Then, Connect helps providers by integrating that consumption and usage data with their systems to correctly bill and invoice their customers. All of those flows are repeated as more orders are placed, enabling both vendors and providers to truly scale. More products, more customers, more as a service.
Later this morning, Tariq will share the ways that we've been on the lookout for tomorrow and how we're always investing to remain at the forefront of the evolving business landscape. But wait, there's more. More services. Not just SaaS applications, but a way for partners to implement complex business solutions together. And here's just one example of how we make it possible with Microsoft Dynamics.
With Ingram Micro Cloud, you get way more than a marketplace for SaaS applications. Did you know that you can also buy professional services for business applications? With our growing number of service providers and solution areas, we deliver more professional services from our marketplace to help you scale your business. Our flexible professional services SKUs make it possible to build any solution and deliver more for your customers. And our marketplace makes ordering pro services easy, flexible, and profitable. Just go to the marketplace and search for the service your customer needs, and add the service and the number of units you want to your cart. Then add your order to a new or existing customer. Adjust your end customer price to set your earnings on the service, and place your order. It's that simple. With Ingram Micro Cloud, you have a trusted partner who is continually expanding our service capacities through partnerships and certifications to offer you more as a service.
You'll find even more proof of the commitment that Ingram Micro has made to providing you more services on the latest innovations and features on the Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace, where we've introduced open APIs and connectivity into a number of different systems, including ConnectWise, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. In addition, we've introduced new features and functionality in our Go-to-Market Hub, which allows our smallest and even our largest customers to customize our content and provide it all the way to quotation to their customers. We look forward to using these new features to help you grow your business.
Our Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace, with its simple interface, makes it easy for any partner to quickly start transacting with us. Ingram Micro Cloud Marketplace is organized by categories that are easy to understand, so you can easily find more products and more services to sell to your customers. Use the advanced search feature to quickly locate what you're looking for. Cloud Marketplace provides an easy shopping experience that lets you add products and services to your cart and check out effortlessly. You can also get a snapshot of pending invoices, orders, and customer count, as well as access other tools to help you grow your business. Simply manage your customer subscriptions with one view of what's active and what's expiring. And modify subscriptions on the fly, in real time. Manage orders and customers from a single pane of glass. Find all of your transactional information, like balance and outstanding invoices, in one place. Plus, import entire transactional and financial information as a CSV file to your own billing and ERP systems. And there's more. You can showcase your company's branding by easily configuring a fully white-labeled marketplace that provides full automation at scale and is customizable for your customers. And our full API set lets you integrate your systems with Cloud Marketplace for more automation and scale. And together with native ConnectWise integration, you'll have even more options. Use our go-to-market hub for sales acceleration to help your sales team learn about the latest products and to help your marketing team execute digital campaigns with ready-to-use customizable campaign assets, all to make it easier to grow your business faster by doing more.
As you can see, our marketplace platform has gained even greater functionality, offering even more multi-cloud offerings. But the big difference is our ability to create curation, our ability to start to board local infrastructure as a service providers, or ISVs, that are unique to certain markets. Well, what does this mean? It means that what you see in the German marketplace, or what you see in the Spanish marketplace, or what you see in the Brazilian marketplace, or US marketplace will be different. There'll be localized solutions being offered by localized solution providers and localized ISVs. But there's even more. We're going to introduce the ability in the coming weeks for our value-added resellers, MSPs, and partners alike to offer their own services through our marketplace, giving you the ability to monetize and become a much larger company on a global basis. As we, for years now, have been piecing the pieces of the connected ecosystem together and building what has become one of the largest ecosystems, we consider not only what we have, but expanding the presence of different solutions. We recently welcomed Salesforce Essentials to our marketplace, something new, a company that brings a cloud-native balance in everything they do. So we're excited to have Salesforce Essentials available to all of our partners across the different territories. And we'll continue to offer even more solutions around Salesforce in the future. So this week, I invite you later on to join my fireside chat with Meredith Schmidt, where we're going to introduce all of the successes that she sees in the coming evolution as business continues to evolve. But having more SaaS applications and having more ecosystems simply isn't enough. We, as an organization, are committed to providing you with more, providing you with the right technologies and integrations into what you're asking for. Today, we've had an opportunity to spend a little time in the past, but most importantly, we focus forward on the future. How Ingram Micro continues to invest more to provide you with more as a service, to provide you more SaaS applications, to provide you more professional services, to provide you more ecosystems, and to provide you more ways to be successful. We will continue our commitment to providing you more innovation, providing you more partnership, and providing you more experiences. With that, I just want to leave you with one little more thing, inviting you to join us with the city of Miami at our Cloud Summit in May 2021. I couldn't be more thankful to work with a city and a set of hotels and partners that have been so accommodating, that have helped us during these times of uncertainty and are helping us create what I believe will be the best experience of more. So thank you again and look forward to seeing you in Miami Beach.